You are at a hotel. The receptionist looks at you and smiles. She is waiting for you to speak. But the words, they do not come. After this video, you will know exactly what to say. Today, we follow Lori and Alex at a hotel. You'll hear real hotel conversations, slow and clear. One question before we start. Lori and Alex find a problem with their room. What is the problem? Listen and find out. Let's go.
Oh, look at this place. It looks really nice.
Yes, it looks great. Do you have the reservation?
I have it on my phone. I made a reservation for tonight.
I hope the room has a nice view.
Me too. Let's go inside and check in.
Good afternoon. Welcome. Are you checking in today?
Yes, I have a reservation for tonight. The name is Lori Park.
Let me check. Yes, Lori Park. 1 night, 1 room. Your room is on the 5th floor. It has a nice view of the city.
A view of the city? That sounds great.
And the room? Is it a king bed?
Let me check the details. Yes, it says king bed. Room 507.
Perfect. Can we get the key cards now?
Of course. Here are your 2 key cards. The elevator is just behind you.
Thank you. And what time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11 in the morning.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your stay.
Real English. Slow and clear. If you want to learn English like this, subscribe for more stories. Okay, room 507. Let's see.
Oh, wait, something is wrong.
Lori, there are 2 small beds. This is not a king bed.
I know this is not right. I asked for a king bed.
Are you sure the reservation says king bed?
Yes, I am looking at it now. It says king bed. 1 king bed.
So the room is wrong. We need to go back and ask to change rooms.
Yes, I hope another room is available. Let's go back down.
Hello again. Is everything okay?
Not exactly. Our room has 2 small beds. But my reservation says king bed.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. Let me check what is available.
We would really like a king bedroom, if possible.
Good news. I have a king bedroom on the 8th floor. It has a better view, too.
The 8th floor? Can we get that room?
Of course. Here are your new key cards. Room 812.
Thank you so much.
Can I ask, is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included. It starts at 7 in the morning.
Can I ask about the pool? Is it available today?
Yes, the pool is on the 2nd floor. It closes at 10 at night.
That's great. Thank you so much for your help.
Of course, enjoy your stay.
This room is much better. The bed is so comfortable.
It really is. And look at the view from the 8th floor. You can see the whole city.
I'm glad we went back to ask.
Yes, at a hotel, it's always okay to ask. Most of the time, they can help.
Yeah, you're right. I think it's gonna be a good stay. That's the end of our story. Lori and Alex had a good stay after a small problem. And now you know exactly what to say at a hotel too. Watch it again. The first time, you followed the story. The second time, you will understand every word. Do you remember the question from the beginning? Lori and Alex found a problem with their room. What was the problem? Write your answer in the comments. I read every comment and I will reply to you in English. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more slow and easy stories. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Talkory!